Hey guys, yeah, you know me. And I'm back once again. But this time, I'm going to show you how to upload a Camtasia video to YouTube. So, here's how you do it. Just import things, click export, and click on YouTube. Get the title and description. Then this will pop up. When you in project, then when you in video, and then when you're in video on step 1 of 2. When that's done, and it'll completely upload be in your YouTube. But it may take a while for that to appear on your YouTube channel. So I'll see you when the genuine of my video on YouTube is finished. Bye bye.